Hello. A crisp, sparkling winter's day on Friday, but that's about to change for some, although not for all, heading into the weekend. First signs of that change out to the west. Cloud is edging in. We've had that cloud through the day for parts of Cornwall. It's now arriving into Northern Ireland, western Scotland, and by midnight, outbreaks of rain accompanying the cloud and a strengthening wind with gales developing around some exposed coasts of the Western Isles. Elsewhere, eastern Scotland into England and Wales, clear skies and light winds, and so a widespread frost forming. Temperatures as low as -3, -4 Celsius fairly widely, and -10 to -7 degrees where we have some snow cover. But there'll also be freezing fog patches about first thing into the Vale of York, the Midlands, East Wales, central southern England, some dense patches out there. Meanwhile, a much milder start to the day for these western areas where we've got the cloud rolling in, and you can see that contrast with this picture, the warmer hues there pushing into the northwest, the blue colours remaining across much of England and Wales, eastern Scotland first thing this weekend. And actually that colder air will be quite persistent towards the southeast over the next few days. What will also be persistent is the fog first thing. Freezing fog out there could take much of the morning to clear from central parts of the UK. In fact, 1 or 2 patches could last into the afternoon. But otherwise, plenty of sunshine for England and Wales away from the far west, and for Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the east, it's a bright start, but plenty of cloud with some outbreaks of rain elsewhere. The wettest weather will be towards western Scotland. The windiest weather will be affecting the Western Isles and the Northern Isles by the afternoon. Gales in places, and with the wind and that cloud, it's going to feel chilly even if temperatures have recovered compared with recent days. Now, as the light outbreaks of rain spread eastwards across Scotland, there is the chance that for parts of the Grampians we'll see a touch of freezing rain for a time. Something to keep an eye on if you're in that neck of the woods. But otherwise, for the rest of the UK, another crisp winter's day. Plenty of sunshine for much of England and Wales, 5, 6, 7 Celsius. Then into Saturday night, the cloud and the outbreaks of rain in Scotland and Northern Ireland do edge eastwards very slowly, cloudier skies into western England as well as West Wales. So the northwestern half of the UK generally frost-free on Saturday night. It's towards the southeastern half of the UK, East Midlands, East Anglia, southeast England, where we're going to see the frost and fog first thing Sunday. Otherwise, it's actually quite a mild start towards the northwest, if rather breezy, with the outbreaks of rain turning heavier and more persistent for a time across western Scotland as well as Northern Ireland. And those outbreaks of rain push into northern England as well as parts of West Wales during Sunday morning, some of them reaching the southwest as well. So increasingly it's damp. It's not soaking wet, but it is damp. It's breezy, it's cloudy for western areas as well as the north. But after the foggy start to the day for the southeast, well, here we've got plenty of sunshine into the afternoon, but what a temperature contrast, 3 or 4 in the southeast, 10 further northwest. And really, we keep the cloud and those outbreaks of rain across northern areas into the start of next week, along with a keen breeze. It's always brightest and driest towards the south, although the southeast might still feel chilly on Monday and Tuesday.